We're gonna start by making a quick cilantro lime crema to top the rice. Start by adding 3/4 of a cup of Mexican sour cream to a food processor. Then add 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/3 cup of fresh cilantro, and the juice of a lime. Rolling the lime before cutting it helps to release the juices. Then season it with some salt and blend it until well combined. Taste it and adjust the seasoning if needed. Then transfer to a bowl and refrigerate for later. For the rice, finely dice 1 small or half large yellow onion. Then finely dice 1 small red bell pepper, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, dice 2 tomatoes, and a handful of fresh cilantro. Next, dice 1 pound of beef. I like using top sirloin. And also 1 pound of chicken breast. Place a large skillet over medium-high heat and add a good drizzle of olive oil. Then add the onions and sauté until it starts to get translucent. Then add the peppers and the garlic and sauté for a few additional minutes. Move the sautéed veggies to one side of the pan to make room for the meat. Then add the beef and the chicken. Season the beef and the chicken well with salt. Add 1½ teaspoons of cumin powder. One teaspoon of 6 chili powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Use half for a less spicy version. 2 teaspoons of dry oregano. 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. And some fresh ground black pepper. And then mix it to incorporate the seasoning. Once the beef and the chicken are seared on all sides, add 1 cup of frozen corn, the tomatoes, and the cilantro. Mix everything and cook until the tomatoes start to break up. Then add 1 cup of washed long-grain rice. Mix it to incorporate, then add 2 cups of chicken stock. Mix it to incorporate the liquid, then bring it back to a boil. Once boiling, cover the pan and lower the heat to low. Check the rice after 10 to 15 minutes. Once cooked, the rice is ready to be served. The rice should be nice and moist. To serve, add the rice to a bowl. Add a good drizzle of the cilantro and lime crema. Top it with some fresh cilantro and add some warm tortillas on the side. And it is time to eat. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.